So this is the web page that you are working with. So just mind you, this is the 2011-2012 season here. If you want to access other tables, you can just click here. All right. So to make it easier for us to search, to go through to extract our data using the tagging system, we do the inspect method here. So right click, I'm using Google Chrome, right click and go to inspect. Another shortcut is to do Ctrl+Shift+I. So if you click inspect, you'll be able to see the HTML content here. So this is what we have. Document types, HTML language, English, the divisions, the div tags here, the body tag. We'll go down here, all those tags. Okay. So what we want is the table. Let's have a look around. Okay, we have just one table here. So this is a relatively easy project that we are working on. All right. So these are the HTML elements, the console, the sources. We're not using a lot of these for now. All right. So you click here, this first box with an arrow. It's now blue. So if you go this side, after clicking this little box, and you move your cursor these positions over here, you see it highlights the tags and where exactly we can find that in our HTML code here. You can see here, this is the row. Here, okay. This is how it looks. We have the body. This is the body. Go through this. This is where we find the table here. This is our table. And inside the table, we have here this tag, the table head. Also have the table body here. Inside the table body, with these TRs tags here, the table rows. Right, so we can see the first row. This is where we have Man City, we have Man U, Arsenal, Tottenham, and number 8 here we have Liverpool here. All right, so inside those table rows we have other tags again. Right, this is for the first element in our first column. Here again is where we find the team names. So you can see the team names here. We can see the class for the team names here. Third item, and so forth. So it's important to, first of all, get to understand it, to get yourself familiar with how your HTML here looks like before we go into the actual extraction of our data. So now let's go back to our Jupyter notebook here. All right. So now we want to extract the league information, the league data. So we just call this one league. Correct spelling. So league soup. We'd find. So we don't have a lot of tables, so we just have this first table. We can use the find here. In class, So when we are using beautiful soup here, our class must have an underscore. Why? Because class is a keyword in Python. So if we just use class without the underscore, it will not work. So we do this class is equal to, so we did our inspection here. So the information for our table is in the table tag here. This is where we have the information. So you can see where this table ends. So we can use the div because div includes all the other information that we don't want. But the table just highlighted in blue here on my left side, the correct information that we want, the relevant data. Alright. So we are going to extract the table tag. The table tag is associated with this class. What's this class name? If you can do a right click here, you can type, but I think the best way is to right click and do copy to avoid spelling mistakes, which can cause you a lot of trouble and headaches when you realize that things are not working and you don't know what's causing that, when it's just a small spelling mistake. So let's copy the class. So this is the class name that we just copied. That thing here. Alright. So now we can print link to have a look. Alright, so this is what we get. Now you can see the table class here, the column class, the TRs, the table rows, the table headers, the TH, and all the other rows.